and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Miss Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you are interested in watching more of my videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification and join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. So in today's video, literally I wanted to do bridesmaids makeup tutorial since so long. So this website has sent me this dress. Review will be up first before this video. Do watch. Like, I will link it here in this video and also down below in the description box. Do watch. This website is amazing. Like, they sell lots of bridesmaids dress, prom dress, bridal wear, accessories, lots of stuffs are there. You can go check it out. Like this dress, I'm loving it. It fits so well. Like, they have made it perfectly. So like, I love it. So if you want to see full dress, I think I will put it here in this video, or you just go and watch the review. It's on my channel. So yeah, in today's video, like, of course, I'm doing this makeup tutorial. This is a beautiful, simple bridesmaids makeup look which you can wear, and like, I am loving it. So if you are interested to see how I created this beautiful bridesmaids look, then keep on watching. I am doing this tutorial just because I know you guys will be asking me about this tutorial, just because I am doing review of this bridesmaid's dress. It is sent to me by one of the websites, and I will leave the detail below in the description box, and that review video will go up first. So in case anyone will ask me about this makeup tutorial in that video, that's why I am creating this look. So now I will be doing my face, as my brows is done perfectly. And for the face today, I will be first applying a moisturizer. So I want to give a glow to my skin. This says here it is a golden glow. Looks like this, and I have tried, I think, no, I haven't tried this product. I've got in my Bella box, so I thought of trying this today. Yeah, it is the tinted moisturizer. Now I will just spray a little bit of setting spray on my face, just to prime my face. And today I'm using this Makeup Revolution's Hyaluronic Fix. I want it to set before applying foundation. Today I am mostly using affordable products, and like, mostly my products are Makeup Revolutions, but like some are not. So because I don't have lots of Makeup Revolution products, and like, I should get, because they are literally so good. So now I am using this Makeup Revolutions F6 foundation stick. This is literally so white. Gosh. I look like a ghost now, because this foundation is literally so white. Oh my gosh, just look at my face. So today I am trying this concealer. Like, I have tried it, but like, it's been a while. So it's LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and I've got no idea, but I think this concealer was a little bit dark. Now I will set all this up with this Revlon Scala Stay powder in the shade beige. This is a pressed powder. And now I will be bronzing my face. Literally my face looks a little bit white, but like I will bronze now with this Vivid Baked Bronzer by Makeup Revolution. Just like this. And now I will be applying some blush, and today I am applying this blush by Tarte. It's their first class 12-hour blush. This looks like this. Today I am using this highlighter by Wet n Wild, and it's their Mega Glow. I want to apply lots of highlighter. I think it looks okay to me at the moment. I don't know how the camera is taking, but like it has come together and like it looks literally beautiful. It's very simple. And now I will be doing my eyes. So like my eyes is all primed and set. And for that I will be using this same palette by I Love Makeup Revolution's Angel Heart palette, and this palette is literally so beautiful, comes with such beautiful shades. And today I will be using this shade on my crease, this light pink peach kind of shade, and I will be using a xoxo brush. This one is 228 crease brush. So now I will be taking a brown shade, and I think it's a brown shade, and it looks like this. And I will be applying to the outer part. And here I am using this e.l.f. Cosmetics blending brush. So I am trying to add this one now. I think this is a, yeah, looks like this. It's a dark shade, but it's kind of in between dark brown and maroon. Okay, now I will be applying this shade. This is a very shimmer shade to the inner part of my eyes, to the lid, like halfway to the lid. So this is very pretty shade. It's kind of shimmer shade and like it's gold shimmer kind of shade. And the brush here I'm using is Sigma Shader Lid E156. So now I will be applying little bit of this shade. This shade, this is a kind of light purplish, but it has a very good shimmer. With the same brush, I will be applying little bit like in the middle here. And then I will be blending this with the brush, the same brush which has this dark shadow, and also a little bit here. For the highlighter today I'm using this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. I think it's a highlighter and also eyeshadow. Looks like this. With a small shader brush. This is by Zoeva 237. I will apply this to the inner corner and also under the brow area. So today I am using this Steve Laurent black eyeliner. This is a pen eyeliner. And now I will be applying this same shadows on the lower lashes. So first I will be applying this dark one, then I will apply this brown, now I am taking a clean brush. This is Sigma Pencil E30 and I am taking the brown shade and applying on top of that dark one. So now I will be taking this multi-liner by Makeup Revolution. So I will take this lightest one. It looks like this. I think I will take this light one and I will apply on the waterline. now I will apply some mascara, and I am using Manna Kadar Beauty Mascara. This is a good mascara. Today I will be using this Huda Beauty lashes, Sophia number 14, and with this Adele lash glue. Okay, this lashes looks like this, and this glue looks like this. This is a black glue, I think. So as my lash glue is drying, I will be applying some highlighter here. Same highlighter by Written One. So for the lips today, I will be applying the lip liner from this retractable Makeup Revolution's pen, I think, and this is the shade I'm using, a nude one. For the lipstick today, I am using this Savvy's lipstick in the shade Nude. And on top of this, I will be applying this Floss lip gloss, and this one is in shade LHR. So I have just twisted the front here, and I have clipped it here, and also I tied a little bun and took some hair out and used some clips here. That's it. It's just simple. And in front I just took out some hair here. And this earring is from Kmart, like literally I love it. And like, yeah, this is it. Okay, yeah, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you liked my video, and also share with your families and friends, and join me on all social media sites, and I will catch you all later in my next video.